I love playing the drums, but the neighbors, not so much. Today we're fixing that. We're unboxing, installing, and most importantly, hearing the difference. I placed an order on TikTok for 8-piece drum set silencer pads, also called mid-pads. For cymbal, for another cymbal, a drum pad. Look how thick this drum pad is. For another cymbal, I believe this one for bass pedal beater, another drum pad, another drum pad, another drum pad. Definitely this pad is for the bass or kick drum. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And this one and this one. So 8-piece drum set silencer pads. So 5 drum pads and 3 cymbal pads. One for cowbell and the other one for the bass pedal beater. And here are the dimensions of each pad. So it's time for the installation. Let's install the pads. As there is no instructions provided for the installation, so let's figure out the best way to mount these pads on the drum set. Looks like it's going to be a real lifesaver for my fellow drummers and their neighbors. Now, the most important thing, sound comparison. Let's hear the difference for hi-hat. The difference is slight. For crash cymbal, the difference is significant. Reduction in loudness is clear. For ride cymbal, the difference is also significant. Reduction in loudness is clear. For snare drum, very light. I can hardly hear the difference. For high tom, difference is clear. There is reduction in loudness. For mid tom, reduction in loudness is slight. For low tom, the difference is clear. There is reduction in loudness. The pads have no effect on the rebound or feel of the sticks. And for the bass or kick drum, sounds like there's no difference. Now let's check the overall performance of the pads. Let's observe and take note of movements of signals on the audio peak meter bar on the right side of the screen for this session on the drum kit without silencer pads. This time with silencer pads. Likewise, let's observe and take note of the movement of signals on the audio peak meter bar. Without silencer pads, the signals went overboard the whole time. This means the audio signal is clipping or overloading. With silencer pads, you can recognize that there were times audio signal is operating at a safe level. This one is for the cowbell. As you can hear, the reduction in loudness is very clear. My verdict is that it is fair enough. I still can't play at night past 10 p.m. But with these pads, I'm pretty sure it will be not so hard for my neighbors if I play the drums for hours. How do you keep your practice sessions quiet? Let me know in the comments. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to get notified for new upload. Please check out the end screens for more contents like this. Thank you for watching.